Some catch them say a Jordan a meeting birthday. Indeed, no, say where your birthday edition. Montase. You're live on Facebook. You're Adom 106.3 FM sports page 1 year. Yes, Yakonko. Near Jam Bamba, Yora. Now, MTN or say everywhere you go. My MTN up on a sona. Open so your BBS or Yan MTN. Or Mama BB easy. Found Jim Nipan Sari. Also, so, oh, your pencil. And if I Jim now, so you be up so your MTN. So, oh, my MTN up on a so App Store. And a Play Store, wo corner, umia, my MTN app. Kinkring, una odemwa, ye kwenim ni adia, tishane to sa, famame, ye jinamo dendendi and no pay na yomwa, and ponsin for the F pack, the BX tablets, Kiana. It is someone dear bro. F pack no miaba ko BX tablets, moja bedroom of Fusani, and some get to akra. It no someone samono. Now, face with DBS Industries Limited say, Mama can hokran garden and ya complete. It almost can hold ending. But done is where DBS Industries Limited, Sanso, and a quampiaso, no, so we see down a DBS for the son, Yomudins. I was all. Now, woman to me, a wow. Now dano etiapo. Yes. DBS roofing papa fee ho. Omo ke ho no pay na. Yere nsam at brewo. Now we kwedi esi akonkon sadia na immortal ajakwa champion Les Stone writer Menyon Rafael the centro campesta creativo and of course James Ineba Makion and Professor Wala somewhere me producer no pam come ho. Bere nsam no at brewo. Kegyiwa na kasanye Eric Asiedu Boadi. Abuja Yamwa kwala. Yabasha samana sentempa so na yede afi nanwada US Open about so tennis and one some na make they say they can claim yawie 24th Grand Slam title and Novak Djokovic atumi aje they say they say waji tennis na boso watch Daniel Medvedev na nom that Medvedev man need that cray anya some good they say na don't know waji mako 24 ya tennis tournament ya yes a chairman wa just robo so panya some keto akra tenune de yakoso e wo the flashing meadows mo no ye US Open na kopie mo mana fam so a na nya some keto akra koko golf say mechere agimidi e de ma US for small get danger obey the second teenager wetimi agina na so na waje the US Open after Serena Williams. It's a no coco golf so edia. Yere eba enano pemo sani wonsam esiatie. Weekend the time win on as a kwambia so no eseshe na ye body AFCON qualifiers na no the Black Stars of Ghana. Ebo mo dem yemu last year. Ye bobre mo ewo AFCON ni mo now. Other countries so so ani ahwe so met ma qualify dia ba no. Omo so de omo de na ahye so am yemu se obia de ye wie bibia no. Na Victor Osimhen na che ne bobre pa. About 10 goals in the qualifiers. And Samuel Swesiatie, Mohamed Kudus, now dia Oshedman Canano, and a third goal of the qualifiers are Niger's a tribune here. It's Victor Osimhen of Nigeria, the top scorer of the qualifiers. Now, Yanshe teams are Hodra. One must say, Yakasa, Yakwa Afcon, Women and Yamokwa, Patoko Piemo, Group A, and Nigeria, and Guinea Bissau, and I qualify for the Afcon. Burkina Faso, Kevert, so qualify from Group B, and I Piemo, Group D, so now Egypt. And a Guinea, one must qualify. Samson and Ghana and Angola qualify from Group E. Ghana 12 points after 6 games, and Angola and 9 points to swim. You know now. Okopiemo Group F for Algeria and Tanzania, and a qualify from Group F and a Group G in Mali, and so I qualified that. And yes, I'm Ketuaga Gambia. It is so Gambia so I can come on. No, they are called Afcon Eco so Ivory Coast now Group H, and Zambia and Ivory Coast neighbor. Now Group I, Congo DR, Mauritania, and I qualified by Gabon Tinian qualified by Tunisia and Equatorial Guinea qualified from Group J. Now first Group K, no, South Africa and Morocco, and I qualify at the Eba. Group L, Senegal and Mozambique. It's Ocean and Senegal, so Esiatia. Now one powerhouse is Nina, so be a baby. Powerhouse is na obi e baby nti se wa nyere ho a e kire bebreneka esa Ghana ya man home so esa so shebe party e baso in January 2024 Ivory Coast 2023 AFCON and ya born 2024 the 13th of January to the 11th of February 2024 the Africa Cup of Nations in Obi so Cote d'Ivoire Ghana ya qualify e de ni e ko akwachire mu
Adom Sports number one
Coach Chris Hilton, one of Coach Panipa, and the man Black Stars of Ghana, and somebody to ja, and it's a Ghana for Sia Botomunya Vim and Vogo, Bibia Bear Fine, Ghana bet to me, Abwajuma, our Afcon, a Yakodimo, where the Afeni Aguso said Yama, Afeni Yabwabo, who is a place Nibia Prepra, Etiquambia Soro, and say to me Bobo and we, it way the proper and Promojari, it will Promojari, a better Afcono, net team Najina Brane Pa, if you got oh, Afcon, I say, and on summer time I did to ja, now Copiama Nano, that branch on the walk Captain Samba Nema Ghana, Jordan Ayo was in a Niaja Pasta Ghana qualify for Nambom, a bet to the 30th of January, no, Nabibia to me, I find Yaka Black Stars of Ghana, one summer, about watching Ghana and Liberia, the promise over the Accra Sports Stadium, where I was say Ghana Gusu, see a Benya Tim Brane Pa, na a bedu Afcon, Yajin, so William say, November, Musso, so ye ball a World Cup qualifier against Mali, and Tining was a years from Kwa, Region and I saw now yet to me Abwajma, at a or mine anymore, and Nanwada, ya trusted in Genesity and as a World Cup qualifier, the Bob Bedu Afcon, now ya Bob 5 games, friendly matches, Echo Bono, USA, now Fenshon or the airball, a year World Cup qualifier, 1 2 week, now it's a 5 matches, a bit what ye, now yet to me, Hunye, at me Bojma Pa, now yet me Kwajeti, our Afcon, I can see Cassiana say, Channel FMI Sports Page 1, which here live, our Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook, our channel FMI, where the birthday edition, my catch that now, young go PM, I want some food from now you found some from another, the Ghana Football Association, awards night in the Penny Betray, and Crawford Jabba, so body Papa B, Mako, the one summer bro, the Olympic Games, Ghana bet me qualify, Kwanasi, me qualify, Compatrol, the Black Bombers of Ghana, make Ghana, your boxers are, ya trust me bet me qualify, PM Olympic Games, Nase, but when you need that, so possible, imagine the Diamond, a Freezy McBones, a branch I want another video, but told you, UK, I will book from yesterday, but a favorable cocoa box in Fama Ghana, the Olympic Game, Chairman, Freezy McBones, Yako PM Senegal, qualifiers no Freezy first bout, ya Bruno. I just say, I will host pa. Na Freezy akasa kakra. Odika chro kakra to the page. And I what to na to akasa kakra. Freezy, I'm for say, I want in that you have him with you.
You know what I'm saying? I do what I want to do and what it make me happy. But as a boxer, present for the country, I always put my life on the line. You know what I'm saying? I put my life on the line. I do things for the nation, for the country. Like the sports minister said, guys, now you're going to Senegal. You guys are going to represent for over 35 million people in Ghana. You know, so once I get in the ring, that's the thing in my mind. I said, damn, he said this. Let me go and give all my best. So once I'm in the ring, and it's not only this competition, any chance, any step, any opportunities I get as a boxer, since I put my gloves on, I don't play. Whoever knows freezing, not freezing. I always aggressive and go forward and get the win. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, if the focus we say, and yet then I know before sometimes he comes with empty-handed. You know, so this time if I come home with empty-handed, and it's so funny, like this is something I was so put my mind onto it because this is for Africa Championship, right? And this also at the end of the competition, you're gonna win gold. So it's not overhyped, but like I said, people have entitled to say whatever they want to say. So that is their own problem. I mean, it's failed. What do you mean? It's not just only one fight. You have to keep fighting. First fight, second fight, and you make up to quarter final and semi-final and finals, right? So unfortunately, my first fight, I got the lost, right? So if I got lost, fine. Technically, I can't keep doing it anymore. I got to stop and wait for what next for freezing my bones from Dakar.
Yes, Freezy McBones. After seeing no, not the sense to you. So another opportunity later. Grand Bob qualifies. Yeah, you so bit my qualify. I copy Olympic Games. Na see tika channel so sa. Efa emame. Na you be there say other boxers no so call saying near the you remember come we. I be friend penny for no match mu. Near kwaso Senegal no. Aha, Freezy dear no. Freezy say no queen. No bit me bro Freezy or Senegal near match mine. Now the GFA Awards over the weekend baso. Now abaso body and the banner and the best branded club. Asante Kotoko. The most vibrant club. Asante Kotoko Sanjie. Best supporters. FC Samates for supporters Najie. Now juvenile league, you know. Yeah, my basketball be just say yi mo division 1 league so yeah bobo MTN FA Cup so category best coach of the season come Abdul Karim Zito, top scorers here Samuel Adom Antwi, Ken Fice and Manaf Abdul Umar of RTU, discovery of the season Abdul Aziz Isa of Dreams FC, best player of the season Samuel Adom Antwi of Ken Fice, goalkeeper of the season come Solomon Agbeshi of Dreams FC. Women's Premier League is also Momubiani the other goalkeeper of the season Grace Banwa of Azaka State, discovery of the season come Ellen Alomenu of Estiam Socrates. Now club of the season come and Pim Dakwan and one Kebeji. Coach of the season Joe Nana Dakwan Pim Dakwan coach best player of the season Marian Ponson from Pim Dakwan ladies 1 now Ghana Premier League Nimunye. Discovery of the season come Abbas Samari Salifu of Accra Lions. Goalkeeper of the season come Felix Che of Mediema FC. Top scorer Bednego Tete Bibiani Gold Stars on the end one beje. Goal of the season Eric Sege Zeze Kotoko Branchen go ajala. Oh go. Club of the season Echo Mediema FC ho. And a best player of the season overall best player Ekoma Vincent Atenga. Coach of the season Augustine Evans Adote. Mediama coach on Nigeria. Referees of the season, Julian Nunu Yamanaka, and Mono Time. Referee of the season, Yamanaka, Mono. Assistant referee of the season, Emmanuel Dolagbanu. Anna Emmanuel from Retabuaten Cancer and referee of the season, Manimo. Assistant referee of the season, Mana from near Gloria Sena Comedro. We any Jeff was no and once a day a bro and pain. Tam new book of the Anessa this Yana Dia. Now you come Germany for Hansi Flick, almost was Hansi Flick, Oma Pamono. Okay, tell no if Germany home for Eba. You come World Cup qualifiers, Euro 2024 qualifiers also across Iran, Argentina, Fortune, Bobri Umwa, Nanya Sam Ketua Kranti, Begina so. Nene and yadiasi na otumu say yes and yasam get to akra examine many go for be do a birthday no yasam get to anyuma you better say sports page 1 and ya dey every way kwasi you be mama na dey any say ya dey bibia be fine. Mrs. Vivian Kwabia Asante and Mr. Anyimadu Asante omo we say omo a daughter Princess Nyakuma Asante and now we did 20 years. Hey, my birthday mate no. A happy birthday. Her sisters Wendy and Emanuela also send their best wishes. Asante family na so mo show a happy birthday. Princess Nyakon Asante. Nyamisha non ton kwanampa. Amen and amen. Hey, ready song. Nana Anima Kokwa. Akwazi. Nana Anima Kokwa Jankroma. Ene na achim adadien tem hima edin birthday. Achim adadien tem hima. Hima Kokwa. Ene any birthday. Nyame shaw hima. Na nyame entonkwanem. Apomuden so yesterday amount. In the name of God the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, the Japan family, and Yenina will show a happy birthday or Hima Kokwa. Yamisha, not on Quanam Pabusha, and you may Bono Swan Betanasi at the sports page 2 at the Abrasa Media Macamedian is Timmy wish him happy birthday. Question for Tete happy birthday. Majoso.
Yamisha.
Amen.
Na on Tom Quandem.
Hallelujah.
And quatinti apomuden eka ho.
Amen.
And Mr. Demau.
Amen.
You are a fantastic guy.
Hallelujah.
Very hardworking. Affable.
Amen.
And down to earth.
Amen.
Jimmy
Asaka hadrepa. Hallelujah. Toka kasia because we so no money to pa toka krama me. Na me timu nyame de.
Open key ben.
Kill. Kill ne tia.
Happy birthday to you.
Ajala.
Happy birthday to you.
Really.
Happy birthday. Kegyiwa nankasa.
Happy birthday to me.
God bless you, my brother.
Hallelujah.
Yeah.
Amen.
I didn't find out then I'm my one number.
Gospel there. Gospel there. We so
gospel open there.
Gospel. Box when you be me there. Gospel. Kana nyumbi ya me there. Reggae there bujubante nyumbi ya so ya me.
Yeah, man. Rastafari.
And you na me ware me di gure mu no. So waka no ebeba mu. Okay. No, Yesu na kan.
I want ebeba mu.
Nipa biara to me say
Abba
Ajay Yamza Koswatie Jason Samanatom 106.3 FM.
Wahese wako shop akodi dwa ahodo basket ma emu provisions ene nyoma ahodo ehia opa we delay musa edru so na ukotua nso a yaka kire wo se